Hello to all Stockler members. I'm here to present a batch of functional used iPhones from the seller Grover. So Grover, one of the global leaders in the rental of high-tech products. All the lots, including this one, are in Germany. At net total, you can find all the information on the Brauer page, on the Stockler platform. Here you have functional quality used iPhones. In addition to that, in the lot, you will find four levels of quality, but four additional levels of detail. The aesthetic condition of the product, whether it has all its accessories, whether it has its original packaging, and whether there are any technical defects. In this case, we are dealing with products, functional used quality, so there are no technical defects. Now we are going to look at different products. For example, this one, to give you an idea of the product's condition. So these are end of lease products. In this case, we see the product and we see a little bit of dirt here, really micro scratches. I don't know if you can see them on the screen, but we can't see them. There's no battery, obviously, but here's the condition of a randomly selected product. There you see here, you have the cable and you have the manual, which doesn't seem to be complete, because it looks like some pages are missing. Here is one product. Then you have, if we take this one, again, so the original packaging has obviously been through a bit. Here you have, again, the iPhone. Well, this one is a little, you can tell it's been used a bit more. So it's still very slight, but you do have some signs of use. And here you have the iPhone in its entirety. Similarly, we have the cable here. We even still have the pin to open the SIM card slot. And here, it seems that maybe the entire manual is included. Everything will obviously be arranged for sale. And if I take, I don't know, this one, for example, the device, we have another iPhone. So here there is no cable. So it will be mentioned in the Excel file. You have signs of use that are more advanced than on the previous ones we looked at. Scratches that you can certainly see on the screen. And here, in this case, you also have the manual, but you don't have the pin to open. Here are some examples of products. Maybe we'll take one last one. I don't know. This one. Here it is. And so here, similarly, you have the manual plus cable. And here, well, I don't know which model it is. It's an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So white color. There you have, this is in this case more like dirt, but you obviously have usage marks. However, the screen still, we see no scratches strictly speaking. In any case, I see none, and it's dust. Here's the quality question of Grover's functional used products. We took 4 or 5 iPhones like this. I encourage you to look at the Excel file, the level of detail. I encourage you to bid, to check the automatic transportation quote you'll have on the platform. If it doesn't appear, feel free to ask. Happy bidding.